Home sweet home. This 3-bedroom 2-bath single-family home is absolutely lovely. Located on 2.27 partially cleared acres. This home is ready for its new owners. This home has been completely remodeled, new windows and doors. Beautiful new kitchen, tile flooring throughout, updated modern design bathrooms, vaulted ceilings and recessed lighting in every room. Fantastic location in Golden Gate Estates, just minutes to CVS, Publix and restaurants. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to be the new owner.